Welcome back to the Playa Pesquero Hotel. Today I'm going to give you a quick preview and overview of the rooms. We are actually in a standard room on block 11. We've got a perfect room with a beautiful sea view. So here we go, I'll take you around. We're going to start off with the bathroom. So here you just have your normal standard bathroom with a very large bath and then also your power shower there. It is absolutely amazing, the power shower. Very hot water all the time. I've not had any problems with any of the water. Telephone there should you require any assistance or if somebody disturbs you while you're having a shower. In your bathroom you do get some free little toiletries. It's just a tea tree oil here, a shampoo and a body lotion if you require it. The tea tree oil does smell really, really nice. As usual in your bathroom, you will get your sink, you've got your cups and a hairdryer. So you don't have to pack your own hairdryer if you don't want to, ladies. Over on this side, we do have some hangers, which you can hang your bits and bobs on if you want, towels, swimsuits. And right up the top there, I don't know if you can see it up there. I'll just zoom up a little bit. You do have like a washing line if you want to put any bits and bobs on there to dry. So if we just leave the bathroom here, your large wardrobe here, plenty of space, extra pillows should you need them. Lots of space there on that side. We've just thrown our suitcases in there for hide them away. Just close that one and open this side. This side is where your iron and your safe is, extra blankets which you will not need because it's absolutely roasting here at the moment. We're here in April, well, we came the end of April, beginning of May. So again, some more shelves there to pop your clothes, drawers which are quite deep. You've got your drawers there with my jams in. Going into the bedroom area, you have a rather large bed. We've got a super king size bed in our room and some dressing tables either side with lamps on. And then if you just look around here, you do have a seating area there and a large dressing table to get ready. Always bring my Tetley tea bags. Can't travel anywhere without my Tetley tea bags. We received a free bottle of rum from the hotel because we have been here before. A large vanity mirror there, ladies, for when you're getting ready. Over here we've got the tea coffee making facilities. You do get the coffee every morning when the maid comes in, and it's just your standard coffee maker. 2 seats there again for just relaxing, chilling out, whatever you want to do on your Cuba holiday. It is very, very relaxing here. No rush anywhere. Then we have a dresser here that has the TV on, some shelves for your storage, and down there is your fridge. This is a mini bar which does get stocked up daily. You can tip the guy and he'll fill it up with whatever you want. Today we've just gone for lemonade, Coke and orange juice, and obviously your water. But you can get it stocked up with beer if you want beer. And then as you walk out here, this is where the balcony is, and it is a large balcony with 2 very comfortable chairs and your table for that time in the evening when you just want to sit back and relax and look at the views. So our view is a sea view room. You can see the white sandy beach and little bits of the ocean. So I'll just give you a quick opinion on what we think of the standard rooms here at the Playa Pesquero Hotel. We're actually very happy with where we have been placed. We did actually email the hotel before we came and we asked for block 10 and 11 because we have been here before and this section is the more quieter part of the hotel. We're close to the beach and the pool, the restaurants, the marketplace and like the ice cream parlour, but of an evening it's very, very peaceful. So if you wanted to sit and relax on the balcony, you know, with a drink and just read your book and just have total peace and quiet, they are perfectly situated. If you get a little bit further up to the top towards the left of where we are now, some of those rooms are quite close to the sports bar, which is where the karaoke is of an evening, which finishes at 2 o'clock in the morning. So if you do end up with that section and you are looking for a more peaceful section, obviously that's not going to be ideally situated for yourselves. I will post further up on the link a map of the resort, then you can maybe look at where the blocks are. There is a premium section in the Playa Pesquero Hotel which you can either book before you travel, or if you just book a standard room and change your mind when you get here, you can upgrade. It's 66 pesos per person per night, and over in the premium section the rooms do have the jacuzzis in the room and a butler. You have your own section of the restaurant, which is all the show cooking, your own private pool and your own section of the beach. So maybe if you're coming here for an anniversary or a wedding or a honeymoon or something like that, maybe look into making your holiday that little bit more luxurious, then I would look at upgrading to the premium section. But if you're quite happy with the standard rooms, which we are, obviously, book your standard room and then maybe possibly email the hotel and ask them for your certain requests.